Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru WRX TS versus the Honda Civic Type R. We'll explore their core differences, from their unique drivetrains to their distinct engine configurations. Get ready for a detailed look at how these two performance machines stack up against each other, highlighting what makes each one special in the world of enthusiast cars. Under the hood, the WRX TS features a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The Civic Type R, on the other hand, utilizes a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out a more potent 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This power difference translates to the Type R reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds compared to the WRX TS at 5.6 seconds. For handling, the WRX TS benefits from SDI-tuned adaptive dampers and robust Brembo performance brakes, providing excellent control. The Civic Type R counters with its own adaptive damper system and a specialized dual-axis MacPherson strut front suspension, designed to minimize torque steer. Inside, both vehicles offer a driver-focused experience with supportive Recaro or suede-trimmed seats and advanced infotainment systems featuring large touchscreens and digital gauge clusters. When it comes to practicality, the WRX TS offers 5-passenger seating and the confidence of all-wheel drive, making it a versatile choice for various conditions. The Civic Type R, a 4-passenger hatchback, provides excellent cargo capacity for a performance car, blending thrill with everyday usability. Pricing for the WRX TS starts around $47,705, while the Civic Type R begins at approximately $45,595. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.